Okay, so overall, I gave three questions, three homeworks. In a first homework, I gave you to identify the bullish and bearish structure. Okay, and doesn't matter which time frame you are looking. And next homework was what is minor major structure. And third homework was provide two example about order block, include imbalance. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so start from this. Oh, I think it's a not correct URL. Okay. Okay. So in this case, you need to identify the structure, boss, and chalk. So this boss is a valid because market momentum is a bearish. This is a first inducement, market taken out, and this is a confirm lower lows and lower high. It means this boss is a valid. And then what happened? Market again break this structure, sweep this low and push downside. In this case, this is our new lower low and this is our new lower high, and this high act like inducement. Correct. So this pause is also you must be mentioned here, and this one is a correct, and this one is also break of structure. And what happened after this? Market push on downside. This create lower low, and this is our lower high. And after this, market break this structure, and this one is also valid boss because market close below it. Okay, if market did not close below it and just sweep the liquidity, then no valid break of structure. So in this case, this is our valid break of structure. What happened after this? Market push downside in a continue, and market create this inducement which is here, and this is our minor inducement. Okay, and then what happened? This become our new lower low, confirm is here, and after this inducement structure moves something like this. This is inducement and this is confirm lower high. Correct. And then what happened? Our measure high or low. Where is our measure high or low in a previous? So our low is here. Okay, and high is here. Let me change the color. I think this one. Okay, so this is our lower low and this was our lower high, and previous lower low is here. Market break the structure. If market move between this high or low, okay, something like this, doesn't matter, and this is not structure. Okay, remember this is our counter trend, so this become our inducement. This is not inducement. Correct. This one is our inducement. So lower low is here, market push higher and again push downside, and taking out this low, just sweep this low. Okay, so in this case, what we can, in this case we can push, move our this low to here. Okay, and then what happened? This become our inducement valid. Okay, so this become our valid low, market push higher, and this is our new lower high, and again market push downside, and this one is also boss. Okay, let me clear first thing. So our structure is here and here, and this one is a lower low and this one is a lower high, market push downside, and this become our new lower low. Why not this one? Because market now sweep this previous low, so this low transfer here to here. Okay, and market close above it, I mean push higher, and this become our new inducement, and this is our new lower high. And then what happened after this? Market push downside and break this low. So this one is our boss. Okay. If market did not break this lower high and again push downside, so this is our boss. If market unable to uh, create a new lower low and market push higher and break previous high, so this one is our job. Okay, so this is our valid structure, and market trying to go higher, and if market taken out this low, then this one is our called higher high, and this become our new higher low, and market must be break this structure. So in this case, what happened? Market did not taken out this inducement, I think. Okay, so this is our single leg. Correct. In the future, if market taken out any inducement is here, so this high become our higher high and low is here. Okay, so if market moves something like this, doesn't matter, price must be taken out this low or break this high, then our structure is bullish. Okay, so overall this is our range between this high or low. This is our low and this is our high right now, and maybe create a new high which can be here. Okay, so it's depend on the structure and market momentum. So overall this is a correct structure, and this is some minor need to improve. Online trading Nepal. Okay, you have to submit and you have to review your work. Okay, let's switch into the another chart.
Mr. Khan.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a couple of questions.
Sure.
Regarding this chart. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not sure whether can I control your mouse pointer.
You can annotate. You can use annotate tool.
Annotate. Okay. Yeah. So yes, just now. Decline. Just now you mentioned here is lower low. This is lower high, but
Yeah.
I thought that this one, because this move, this leg did not take up any high.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't it be considered as one shot, one leg here, then
Mm-hmm.
come back, come to here, then this one with this leg move up, because this one take up this liquidity, then
Mm-hmm.
only we consider one move. How do I mention? Am I
You mean this one, correct?
or yeah, this leg, yes, this leg, especially
Yeah,
this leg,
absolutely
because
correct.
just now you mentioned
Yeah,
this
correct,
lower
correct.
low, lower high,
Absolutely correct. Yeah.
but it did not take out any high
Exactly,
here.
exactly. Yeah, it's my mistake. Actually, I did not see. This one is actually you are right. Absolutely. This one taken out inducement and go higher, and this is a single leg. Correct. You are absolutely correct. And this one is our boss. Correct.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for the clarification. I have another question. Is
Yeah, sure.
so this one boss,
Okay.
and if this one moving forward, it will come back to make some internal structural retracement. Should it consider liquidity grab? Then we will consider this as another high. If
Mm-hmm.
this one boss, is this one break? Should this be considered boss? Or the liquidity grab, what we are mentioning here is we should take the liquidity grab from the left side. We should take this one, target, attack this one. Then we only consider as a boss, a valid boss. How about the internal structure here, the BOS, internal boss here? Should we, as long as it did not break the low here, then but it make a big move upside, should it be considered a valid boss?
Actually, in this case, this is not boss. If market did not taken out this low in this one,
Okay.
I can't zoom here and exactly. If market at this point, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
if this low has been taken out by this one, so this is a valid
Okay.
boss. Okay, if not
Okay.
taken out, so this one is our single leg. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
and if market push something like this, so this is not
Yeah.
inducement. Okay, price
Okay.
must be taken out this high like
Mm.
this. Okay, so this become our new inducement, and we can buy here like this and go higher, and this is become our new boss.
Mm. Okay. So as long
Correct.
as anything move in here, it's just a internal structure. So
Exactly, exactly.
yeah,
This
it's
is
not
an
considered
internal
as a
structure,
inducement.
and in this case, what happened here? Let me tell you. Sometime what happened? Market push downside, and people buy here
Mm.
and give a little bit reaction. Okay, and buy more position in adding here because they are looking here for buy chalk, and they anticipating price go higher. But in reality, this is not chalk. This is smart money trap because between this high or low, there is no inducement, there is no liquidity. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
before inducement, before liquidity, there is a no value of any order block, any area. Okay, price must
Mm-hmm.
be taken out the inducement and liquidity before buy or sell. In this case, there is no inducement. Correct. So in this case, what happened here? Market push downside and people buy here and create liquidity. They buy here, they're putting the stop loss just below it. Correct. And again buy here, they're putting the stop loss just below it. And then what happened? Market push downside. This low act like a inducement. Correct. And then market go higher. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Let me switch on the another one. Every chart is not possible for you guys. It's take a lot of time, but I will choose some randomly. Think this one. All right. So overall, this is a chalk. I think this was okay. Chalk. And what happened here? Did not take an inducement. Sweep the liquidity. Okay. Let's annotate here. So this low and this is a lower high chalk, which is a valid. Okay. Market push downside and create a new low, and this become our new inducement after taking out this and this inducement, and price go higher and again push downside. Okay, so overall in this case, what we can in this case, once market taken out this low, which is here. Okay, so this is a valid chalk. Okay, but there is no bounce is here, and this is also not bounce, this one. Why? I'm going to show you exactly what is the reason here. Okay, like this is our for example, market momentum is a bearish because overall market change the direction. This is our lower high, market break the structure, and price must be taken out this inducement. Okay, but in this case market did not taken out the inducement and create new structure like this. Correct. And then what happened? Market sweep this low, and again market are taken out this inducement. Okay, this chalk is a valid is here. So in this case, what we can here, sorry. Okay, and market push higher, and this become a new structure is here, lower low is here, and again push downside. So this one is a first one is a liquidity. Okay, because it took out the previous low. Correct. And then what happened? Market break this structure is here. Yeah, of course. This one is a correct. Okay. This one is a correct. This is a liquidity sweep. So overall structure is a valid inducement and tap on a order block probably here, and then we can sell. This is an unconfirmed job. Correct. If market break this, so this is a become our new boss. Okay. Let's switch on to the next one. Okay. So I think he did not mark any structure. What happened here? Okay. So in this case, this is a lower low, break the structure. This become our boss and push higher. This is an inducement, create a new structure, push downside. And then what happened? Market taken on this low. And this is an inducement, create a new structure, again break. And this one is a break of the structure. And what happened? This is again sweep the low. And this become our new lower low. Market this one break the structure. This is a chalk which is a valid, and this boss is also valid, and this boss is also valid, and create new structure. Market push higher, and if taken out any inducement, so this become our new structure. But if not taken out the inducement, so market is a continuation pushing higher high, and I think there is a no inducement taken out on the here at this point. So this become our single leg. Okay. And recent low is here. So this is our inducement, and on the bottom, this is our engineering liquidity. Correct. Okay. Okay. What happened? I think this chart is not. Okay. So this one is a boss, is a confirm here, which is absolutely correct, as we can see here. And this boss is a valid because it's take out the previous low, which is here. And again, market push higher, taken out this inducement boss, which is absolutely correct. And I think this one is a taken out this inducement is a correct. And this one is also correct. And at this point, yeah, close our bid. Correct. This is an inducement. Okay. Go higher. Again, break the structure. Taken out this inducement. Perfect. Chop. Correct. Push a downside. Inducement. Okay. I think here also taken out the inducement. Okay. And this become our liquidity sweep and push higher. So overall, yeah, correct. Of course, was all right. Again, boss taken out the inducement. Perfect. Yeah, this at this point, this is a liquidity sweep and close below it. So this become our also what? Yeah, perfect. This one is a correct. Everything is okay. Yeah. Okay. So if any question regarding this, you can ask me. Okay. All right. Now switch into the please always share a trading view link. Okay. And some people paste wrong URL by mistake. This one is also. I don't know who did this. US oil. This is not clear structure. Not mention Pirish chalk boss anything. Every time, next time, please make sure mark your structure like this. Okay. Okay. Order block is here and imbalance. Perfect. So in this case, you have to understand where is order block and where is the proper imbalance. So in this case, you can see last buying candle before the sell is here. Which one is here? Uh, let me draw this. This one is last buying candle before the sell is here. This black candle. Okay. This bullish candle is not your order block. Remember why? Because market taken out the previous candle's low, sorry, previous candle's high, which is here. Okay. So this entire candle will be count as a order block. Okay. And between this high or low, this is a minor imbalance. Correct. And sometime what happened, market did not, sorry, sometime market tap this supply zone here on the extreme, because this is our extreme supply. Correct. So order block is here. This one is entire candle. This is our order block. And between this high or low, there is a minor imbalance. Correct. In this case, this is our order block. Okay, because between this high or low, this is our imbalance. Okay, so in this case is also, this is not our order block. Order block is here. This one on extreme. Choose always extreme point. This one, because it's take out the previous candle. So this one is a high probability. Okay. All right. So let me take one more. Yeah. This is order block and yeah, minor imbalance is here. Okay. You can give any example about imbalance proper order block. Like in this case is also, this is order block and imbalance between this. Okay. So this is also valid example. And this one is also. And you have to identify only order block. It's a no matter where is trend and in this case, this one is also order block, imbalance minor also available here. All right. Yeah, most of the people understanding concept that how actually it's work, and some people still confused, and it's take a little bit time to become a good. Okay. All right. 13 members is a submit here. These are the name. Okay, great. Any suggestion? No, I learning. You give a structure mapping in a lower time frame and engineer liquidity. Okay. Breakdown recorded video. All right. More recap. Okay. I will do this in upcoming week. Okay. And some trade recaps and case study, which will actually help you to understand that how we can take entry, right? Breakdown. Yeah, exactly. Noted your all questions and queries, suggestions. Okay. Now let's switch into the this one. Okay. Reason. I think this guy is doing really great job. In a last, he joined last 3 days ago, and now is doing really great job. Yeah, this one, which one is correct? Okay, boss, inducement, taken out. Yeah, we can sell here, of course. First entry is here. Again, boss, taken out the inducement. We can sell here, which is correct. This one is your correct. And next question, this one, taken out inducement, boss, inducement, engineering liquidity, correct. This one is also correct. Are these entry are valid? Yeah, if this is a boss, okay, if you mark this is a valid boss, then this entry is a valid because this become our inducement and this is our engineering liquidity market. Taken out the engineering liquidity, tap on the extreme and go higher. Correct. If this order, sorry, if this one is a correct, if your this boss is a correct, then this entry is correct. This guy is doing a really great job. In the last 3 days ago, he's joined, but he is doing really great job. You can see here. Entry or valid. Okay. If market tap on this demand zone, then chalk inducement, sorry, liquidity, engineering liquidity and inducement, I think same. Yeah. So this is a entry type one, correct. First entry. Okay. At this point, structure break, go higher, entry type two, sweep. Okay. Yeah, these are looks very good entries here. Obviously, these are all valid entries. Excellent. This is an inducement we can target here. Yes, once market sweep the previous high or low, then we should target the major high or low. In this case, market, you can see, tap here, sweep this high. Okay, so we can sell into lower time frame. Okay, and target this low, which is absolutely correct. Okay, when market sweep the previous high, then we can target previous low, major low. Okay, and what happened here? Break the structure, inducement, and mitigate anything is here, we can again sell and target this low. Correct. If break this structure and close our bid, then we can buy after taking out this inducement and tap on this order block and go higher. Okay, this is a multi-time frame question. This one is a boss is here. Okay, inducement sweep. These are liquidity. Taken out inducement and chop. One more thing you have to understand. Let me add here. In a bearish market and bullish market, every time it's work. For example, market is a bearish and If you are looking, this one is a 5-minute structure, for example, okay, and maybe 15-minute structure, then market create break this high, okay. So some people get confused here that this is a chalk or inducement, because overall structure is here, major structure is here, correct. And when market break major structure high, then people are looking this is a chalk. And then what happened, market push downside, because you have to understand major time frame. Where is your major time frame? Okay, if major time frame is a bearish, market break this high, this is our inducement, okay. And then what happened, market tap on the supply zone and push downside, and we are expecting price go higher. Why? Every time frame, this one is a 5-minute, so this inducement act like a 15-minute inducement. 5-minute chalk act like a 15-minute inducement, and 1-minute chalk act like a 5-minute inducement, okay. And 15-minute chalk act like a 4-hour inducement. Sorry, sometime it's on the 1 hour also, okay. So before this chalk or take any trade, you have to check your higher time frame, okay. If your higher time frame and lower time frame are same, then you can take a trade. Otherwise we cancel, and some people get trapped here. This is a very important, because every time market never follow any time frame, any single time frame. Market move uh, randomly, you can say, okay. There is market never follow any lower time frame and higher time frame. They follow only the liquidity, and they create a liquidity, okay. Because 5-minute chalk can be your 15-minute inducement, correct. And this one is a back testing, okay. Engineer liquidity taken out, entry tab 3, which is absolutely correct. And this one, correct. This, why you mark this one, boss? Boss is here, I mean chalk, okay. So this one is chalk, this inducement, and this entry is a correct, okay. This one is not boss. Inducement, sweep this high, okay. Yes, you can take entry. Again, boss, inducement, taken out this entry, correct. Inducement, sweep this entry tab. Why are you taking entry tab? This is an entry tab 3, because market previously taken out the previous high. So this one is a entry type 3, not entry type 2. In entry type 2, price close above it or below it, okay. So boss, inducement, yeah, and we can sell here next time, okay. So this one is a correct. In this case, okay, inducement, entry, correct. Inducement, taken out the entry, and this one is a 1-minute structure. As I said you, that market never follow the 1-minute structure continue, okay, because 1 minute, this is a chalk, okay, but this can be your 5-minute inducement, this one, okay. And this can be your 5-minute inducement, and then market type here and push downside, correct. So you have to always check up. Once market give you a chalk, then you can switch in your higher time frame, little bit higher time frame. Like if you are looking 1 minute, then you can switch into the 5-minute. If your 5-minute chalk, then switch into the 15-minute to see that this is a actual chalk or inducement, okay. Okay, and this one is a clear, okay. In this case, and yeah, okay, boss, inducement, chalk. Actually, chalk here. At this point, chalk is not confirmed. Why? Price sweep this low. Okay. This chalk can be confirmed if market mitigate any supply zone is here. Okay, as I mentioned in a video, and this one is also can't be chalk. If market tap on the supply zone, okay, so we can take aggressive entry after this taken out this low, and we can sell. Okay, but if this is a normal structure, general structure, so this one is not your chalk until close below it. So market close below it here. Okay, so this chalk is here. Okay, this one is a just liquidity sweep, and after taking out the liquidity, market give a pullback, and we have a chance to buy here in a lower time frame for the short term. Okay, market close here. Let me delete this one at this point. Okay, perfect. Inducement. Okay, taken out this inducement, and we can sell here. Target at least this low. And what happened here? This is become our new structure. Inducement. Correct. Taken out this inducement. Okay, and go higher. Perfect. This is a chalk inducement. Okay, after inducement, this one is our order block, and this one is our engineering liquidity. Okay, market tap here on the extreme, and then probably go higher to mitigate this one, probably. Okay, as I told you, every chalk maybe your 5-minute is a inducement, because you are looking at 1-minute structure. Okay, so probably market taken out this high and tap this one, and we can sell in a downside. Okay, but when market tap here, then we can buy. You have to ready on a both side. Market move very randomly. Market, nobody don't know where is market going on. You have to react as per the market movement. If you are predicting here that market go higher and tap on the supply zone, then I will take an entry for the sell. No, you have to prepare both side. Okay, because you don't know market must be taken out this high or not, and maybe market tap on this order block, then go higher, and maybe market break this low. Okay, like this, and taken out this inducement and go more downside. There is a no chance, there is a no like guarantee that market gave you this, taken out this engineer liquidity or not. Okay, Euro USD mark makeup is right. I think this is the same. Yeah, at this point, yeah. You can see here.
Hey, come and I
Yeah.
mark different step out on the chart.
Mm-hmm. This one is a I think same.
I
Yeah,
mark difference.
Euro USD, and this one is also Euro USD.
Yeah, but
You can
the
see.
trick and the
I think
I have something different on the chart.
I don't think there is any difference.
I
Sure.
don't know which pullback is confirmed as a valid high, recent high or low.
Mm-hmm. You mark this is a boss and boss. I think you mark same structure to check that which one is correct or not. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one is correct. First one. And this one is your Aussie USD chart. And look at here what actually I was talking about here. You can see this is inducement, and you can buy here, okay, and go higher. And then what happened? Market again break this structure, and people get confused here. They are looking here. This is our like chalk, correct? And they anticipating price push downside. And then what happened? Market tap here, demand zone, and go higher. Why market push higher? Because this chalk, if you are looking, this one is a 5-minute structure, sorry, 15-minute structure. So this is our inducement. Okay, and this is a confirm low and go higher. This is a boss. And after this, what happened? Market push downside, and this is a chalk. as per the 15-minute. But why market tap here and go higher? Because this can be your 1 hour inducement. Okay. So once market break the chalk, you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation. Check before the sell or buy your higher time frame perspective. If your higher time frame perspective say this is an inducement, so probably market tap on this demand and go higher. Same thing happen here. This is your actually 1 hour, because market never follow any structure. Okay, any time frame market change like a in this case. Okay, so this is a 1 hour lag. Market taken out this inducement and go higher, and market again create a new high. So actually these things happen between major structure in a minor structure. Okay, yeah, this one as you mentioned here. Yeah, correct. Okay, so I think all question is clear here. Now switch into the chart. Okay, so I think uh, all your homework has been done, and I will suggest you mark the correct structure. And some people are doing really great job, and some people still struggling to mark the structure to find the order block and some things. But don't worry, and I can say it's take a little bit time, because these are actually very different things. I can say guaranteed you have never seen like this to mark the structure before, because this is logical. Everything is a logical. Okay, so it's take a little bit time because you know that general structure. Okay, but this is a not general structure. You can't draw any structure randomly. You have to understand logic behind the any high or low before the mark. Okay, and people mark randomly, but in this case you can't do randomly. If you are trying to mark randomly, then very highly chances your structure is gone invalid. Okay, so okay, and everyone doing a great job. And so after this, and I'm going to start some Q&A. Okay, so there is any question, if anybody wants to ask any question related your any problem, like struggling any find the any order block, find the structure, find the engineering liquidity, find the anything. Okay, if you are struggling, then you can ask me, I will explain you, and then you can understand here more better. Okay, who wanna ask me first question?
Mr. Khan,
Yeah.
can you repeat three kind of entry type? No, if you can, if you want. Resume
Mm.
and
Which one? Can you repeat again?
my question is if you can repeat the three entry types.
Okay, entry type 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Okay, okay.
All three kind of entry.
All right, all right. Okay, sure. Actually, yeah,
If you can show one kind of on the chart.
sure. Okay, okay. I will show you on a chart. First, let me understand you. Let me teach you on diagram, then I will switch into the live chart. Okay. So in a entry type 1, price must be mitigate the supply zone. Okay. And then we can sell after taking out this inducement. So this is a general yeah. Okay. So this is a general type of the entry, which is when market must be mitigate any supply and demand zone. Okay, same thing apply in a buy zone, buy case. Market mitigate any demand zone and market push higher, taken out this inducement and go higher. So we can buy here. Okay, buy, and this one is set. Okay, so in this case, price must be taken out the inducement, then we can also sell. And second thing, price type here, you can buy here. Correct. So this is our entry type 1. Price must be tap on the higher time frame demand and supply. Correct. So this is a general entry is here, and this is our chalk. Okay, after chalk, taken out the inducement, we can buy here and price go higher. Correct. And we can add more multiple position. If market give any scale in entry, then we can add more multiple position is here. Okay, and second type of entry, if market did not create any inducement like this, sometime what happened, market break the chalk, for example here, and people do some wrong thing is here, they sell here directly without inducement. Okay, and they sell here because this is a chalk. Okay, chalk or boss, and then what happened, people sell here, then what happened, market sweep this high which is here. Okay, and then go higher. And why this happen here, because everyone buying here and they create liquidity, put the stop loss just below it and looking for the buy is here. Okay, then market tap here, give a little bit reaction sometime, and then push downside, collect all stop loss. Okay, and then go higher. So you have to wait for it. In this case, if there is a no inducement, then you have to wait for it to sweep this previous low. Okay, once market sweep this low, then we can add multiple position for the buy here to here, continue. Correct. So this is a scenario for the entry type 1. Okay, now let me show you entry type 2. In an entry type 2, market is a bullish or bearish, doesn't matter, but market must be break the previous low or high and close below it. Okay, or close above it. One market close above or below it, then market give you opportunity for the sell. And this type of entry, actually, most of the time you will get high probability entry on the like inducement time. Okay, when market is actually bullish like this, and you are trying to sell here on this point, then you can get a like counter trend, you can catch counter trend. But if you are applying same thing on the inducement, then you will get high probability entry. Correct. Because after broke the major structure, market take a little bit correction to mitigate, sorry, to inducement, to taken out the inducement. Okay, like this. And you are selling here, so you have to follow some criteria for the sell. Like market is a bullish in a lower time frame, this is a lower time frame structure, and then what happened, market push downside, then market must be taken out this inducement, and then we can sell here like this type here. And this is not high probability entry, and high probability entry is here when market give any single candle mitigation entry. Okay, so we can sell here also. So this is become our entry type 2. Actually this is our, if you apply this is on the major structure, okay, in a bullish market, on bearish market, so this will give you a counter trend. Okay, but if you are applying same thing on the inducement, then you will get high probability entry. Okay, for example, if market momentum is a bearish, let me clean this one like this. Okay, sorry. is here, correct? So this one is our inducement. Let me, so this one is our inducement. And after this inducement, price must be close above it. So after close above it, we can sell here. And this is our high probability entry, this one. Why? Because you are following the higher time frame structure, and this one is your, like this one, inducement, measure lower high, lower low, break the structure, new lower low, taken out the inducement. Doesn't matter, close above it or sweep this high. If sweep this high, then you can apply anti-tap 3. So this is our anti-tap 2, and you have to follow this criteria and sell. Or market mitigate anything is here, then you have to apply anti-tap 1, which I already mentioned recently. Okay. And this is our anti-tap 2 generally. Okay. And what is anti-tap 3? In an anti-tap 3, price must be sweep the previous high or low, and this is applicable in your major trend and minor trend. On the you can apply on the inducement time, because when market sweep the major high low or minor high or low, market give you reaction. Okay, if you are looking here for like this, market sweep this high, sorry, sweep this low, and then what happened? You have to take a buy here. Even market is a bearish, you can buy here, but price must be close below it here. Price must be close below it here. Then this is applicable on the anti-type 3, and you can also switch into the lower time frame, and then you can add more position. Okay, in this case you can set your target is measure high, which is here, at least on the inducement. Okay, so this is our anti-type 3. Anti-tap 3 price must be taken out the previous high or low and close above or below it. Then you can say this is an anti-tap 3, which is already mentioned is here. This is a, you can see, you can see this one, anti-tap 3, taken out the previous engineering liquidity and close below it, then you can apply here. Okay. Anti-type equal 1 equal chalk plus flip. Actually, it's depend on the structure. Sometime market gave you entry based on the flip, and sometime flip failed and market burned. But main thing is a inducement. Inducement is a necessary. If there is a no inducement, then market very highly chances market sweep your flip. Okay, then market go higher and lower. Without inducement, without liquidity, there is a no chance to market push higher or lower. If you are anticipating market taken out the higher time frame liquidity and lower time frame is not necessary, then you are wrong. Market need every time frame liquidity. If you are looking for buy in a lower time frame, then you have to follow the lower time frame entry. Okay, for example, if you are selling on the higher time frame structure, like market sweep this high, previous high, and close below it here, in this case. Okay, and then people think that market sweep the major high and they anticipating price go lower, and they sell here on the here. Okay, because here, and put the stop loss just above it, and the anticipating price go downside. Okay, but in reality you have to wait for the lower time frame liquidity, because you are following the lower time frame structure. If you are thinking that market taken out the major liquidity, then you have to put your stop loss just above it. Okay, which is not good. So you have to wait taken out this high, once market taken out this high, you can sell. And now you can put your stop loss here. Okay. Let me show you some example recently on GU. As you can see here, this is our structure. This is our 4-hour high. What happened? This is our structure, which is here. And here, taken out the inducement. This is our measure. And what happened? This is our inducement. Inducement. And break the structure is here. This is our measure high, which is sweep here. Okay. And if I follow the higher time frame, then you have to sell here and put the stop loss is here, which is 48 pip. Okay. And target is here in a 4-hour. Okay. Once I switch into the 1 minute at this point, and if I'm thinking here that I following the higher time frame structure and price, no need to wait for the liquid, no need to sweep the liquidity in a lower time frame, which is not good. You have to wait also in a lower time frame liquidity sweep. As you can see here, what happened here? Market taken out the previous high, market break this structure. This one is our chop. Okay. And after this chop, you can see this one is our order block. Okay. And people looking here for sell. And this is actually a smart money trap. Why? Because our weight, this is our engineering liquidity. Because our weight, there is no recent high. And this is our engineering liquidity. And this high act like a inducement. Because this high taken out the previous candle high. Okay. So this one is our engineering liquidity. And then what happened? Market sweep this high and close below it. And we are waiting here to mitigate this supply zone. But in this case, we can sell here. Why? Because market taken out the previous high and close below it. So this entry is a valid here for the sell. And we can sell here and put the stop loss just above it. And this entry become our high probability entry for the sell. Okay, because market taken out the engineering liquidity, and second thing, market close below it. So this is our entry type 3. Correct. So this is our entry type 3. Again, break the structure is here, taken out the mitigate this order block. We can sell here. Again, sweep this high, entry type here. Again, we can multiple, add more position is here, but this is our entry type 3 is here. And these are single candle mitigation based on the entry. And our target should be recent low, which is here. Okay. And this is our smart money trap. And below it, there is also smart money trap. These are all smart money traps. Market gave reaction and push downside, taken out the high. Okay, and then push downside. So these things happen every day. And in a upcoming few weeks, I will make another video about like ping pong entries and lower time frame entries, how we can catch both side move. Okay, like how you can catch here buy and how we can sell here, and then again how we can buy here and sell, again buy and again sell, and how we can add multiple position is here. And this video will be more advanced that I did not upload on the Discord, because once you digest the recent content, then I will upload this video. Will be very advanced. Okay, because most of the time it's work on the candlestick, and sometime market break your rule, and you can also break rule because you are following the lower time frame entries on the single candlestick. Okay, based on the single candlestick. So this video will be uploaded around mid of the August or end of the August probably. But you have to understand, you have to uh, practice first, which I already mentioned, because which is enough to make you a good trader. Okay, so if any question, you can ask me and I will upload this recorded session on YouTube. Okay, on a Discord, you can watch later.
Mr. Ham.
Yeah.
And then I have some question. Entry type 2. When in entry type 2, we should wait for the sell or buy confirmation, but I don't know what is the confirmation.
Actually, anti-type 2, as I told you, anti-type 2 applicable in two situations. First is measure high broke or measure low broke, and second is inducement. Okay, but both condition price must be close above it or below it. Correct. So then we can apply anti-type 2. Okay, but you need to wait for the at least a lower time frame to break the structure. Okay, so for example, this one, correct. So this is our anti-type 2. Why? Because market close of it. Even if you see in another perspective, this is an inducement, but market close our bit. Okay, so we can apply here anti-type 2. Okay, and same thing is here. Here. For example, this high has been broken, previous high broken and close of it. So we can switch at this point in a lower time frame, and then we can sell to follow our criteria, which I told you, price must be taken out the high, at least this high, and then we can sell on this candlestick confirmation and another type of confirmation. Okay. So at this point, we can switch into the 1 minute and then we can sell. And this is a little bit, you can say, it's a little bit tough and to understand. You can see market break, the structure is here. Where is our inducement? Sorry. Market push downside and market create structure like this. I think this one is a late night move. This is not clear here. Sorry, break the structure and then we can sell. And this thing apply on every time frame. Okay, like this is not matter at which time frame you are looking entry type 2. If market give you 15-minute structure, break the 15-minute structure, then you can also take entry type 2, but price must be close above it or below it. Okay, and also applicable on the inducement time. There is not any clear example is here. This entry type 3, correct. Yes, we can say here. Break the structure is here, close below it. So at this point, we can perfect. You can see market break the structure is here. Okay. This is a, I think, taken out this inducement. Here we can buy, and another position is here. So here we can buy actually at this point. After taking out this low, we can buy here, and another position is here. Because market break this structure is here. Okay.
So the confirmation
Same
is
thing here.
is
So
like breaking it's like engulfing candle or break the internal low or high.
yeah, internal low or high. Once market taken out the internal high or low, then this is a called anti-type 2. For example, here, if there is any anti-type 2, means structure break, close above it, and then push downside. And then market must be taken out the internal high, which is the first one is here. And then we can sell here, close below it market, and then we can take entry based on the single candle mitigation. Correct. And market maybe push higher, little bit more higher to mitigate something is here above, and take it, tap on this extreme, and then we can again sell. Okay, you have to prepare a both side, on inducement, on the engineering liquidity, both side. Because nobody don't know where is market going on, because we don't know exactly, because banks and institutional have a lot of advanced data. They read your entry, they can read your entry, they can read your stop loss. If liquidity is available is here, correct, at this point, then they will market take a upside and then push downside. They don't trade based on the structure or order block or anything, because they based on the your number of orders, number of stop loss, number of entries. When the most of the traders interested for the buy or sell, they don't know exactly where is your supply and demand, anything. Okay, for example, like here, if this one is your trend line, okay, if everyone selling here, then they they can read your data, because you are selling here. They don't know why are you selling here. Okay, but you are interested here for sell, because you are looking here for sell because market break the trend line. Correct. But they don't know exactly, because everyone have a different view for the sell or buy. Okay, so everyone selling here and putting the stop loss just above it, and entry here and put the stop loss just above it, and sometimes just above it. But they monitor your entry and stop loss. They don't know why are you selling here. Okay, because everyone have a different situation. If everyone have different strategy, there are 1,000 type of strategy available. Okay, because maybe any moving average cross this line and this selling here, and sometime this maybe your Fibonacci level. Okay, and some other time like over RSI, overbought, oversold. Okay, there are different condition, but they read your entry, they read your stop loss. Okay, they follow your stop loss. Where is your stop loss? They hunt your stop loss and go higher, because everyone buying here and selling here, they manipulate both sides. But you have to sell or buy after taking out the liquidity. We are not a smart money trader. Seriously, we are not a smart money trader, but we are trying to read smart money traders footprint and follow them. Okay, and some people say banks trade on the order block and imbalance. No, banks never trade your order block or imbalance or structure or anything. These are sitting, and people spreading rumors that smart money traders buying on the after boss and job. There are 1,000 type of traders trading based on the smart money trading, but they are still losing money. And why most of the SMC trader is a failing compared to retail traders. Even smart money traders losing more money compared to retailers. Even I'm talking about the who's trade based on the demand supply trend line. Okay, even they are still making money sometime because they have a good winning strike rate. Okay, even they don't have a good risk reward, but they have a winning ratio. Sorry, number of winning trades is a good. Even smart money traders have a good risk reward ratio, but they don't have a winning strike. Some good traders have a 40, 45, 50, maximum 60% in a smart money concept. But most of the smart money traders fail because they know only one thing. Market break the structure and they follow the order block and they follow the order block and they trap. Liquidity is a king. Always remember. Without liquidity, there is a no movement. People say structure is a king. No, structure can be changed. There is a no value of structure because every high or low is a liquidity. Why market manipulate high or low before they go high or low? Market every time taking your high and low, then market push higher and lower. Market can't be go like this, which you read on the books, some books and some internet and some mentors guide you. Market moves something like this. This is a bear trend. Okay, but they don't teach you market move something like this. Where is high or low? They don't teach you because they don't know exactly. Market always take your low and then go higher. Always take your low and then go higher. In a lower time frame, higher time frame, in every time frame. Okay. So I think there's 9:50. I think 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I think we should finish this session and okay. In lower time frame, maybe sometime. Bank Nifty. Okay, let me open the chart. Bank Nifty. In a Bank Nifty, you can apply indicator about I don't know how many indicators. This indicator will help you on if your chart on the gap, no gap candlestick. So now we can see your candlestick looks very smooth. Okay. There's no, I think there is, everything is clear. Exactly, there is no problem. I think taking out the inducement, create new structure, again taking out the inducement, mitigate this order block and go higher, break the structure, taking out the inducement. This is engineer liquidity, taken out, go and higher. There is no need to worry anything. When we can start back testing session. Okay, I will make a back testing session probably next weekend. Okay. Okay, so let me finish this session and keep some back testing and keep some practice